No, it's not Daddy's lunchtime. It's actually not even lunchtime. Rooney Petoonie, why are you going so far away? Oopala, are you tired? Why are you going so far away? So the Pug Mama having a late breakfast. And typically I don't feed them much from the table unless I have eggs. I don't have eggs today. A friend sent me homemade honey, so I'm trying it out. And I decided I have a late breakfast. And so the dogs are in lunch bagging mode. Just not over there where the Pug Daddy sits, no, over here where the Mama sits. And since we don't have a video, well, that will be the video today. The begging little puggies, huh? And these are the treats we got from our Secret Santa. We have a Secret Santa. And Rooney's a good boy. Rooney, sit. Good boy. Gonna sit. And of course JJ sit. Good boy. JJ knows what to do. But they get so excited. They really like these treats from the Secret Santa. I don't usually feed this, but we have it and they love it. It's something different. It's something different. Oh, yeah. Mama has homemade bread with butter and homemade honey. That's what she has. They're so good. You guys are good boys. Good boys waiting. You have to wait one more minute and then I'll give you some more. At holiday times, especially Christmas, it's easy to break your routine with your dogs. And people are so busy with all hustle bustle, getting everything ready. We are not all crazy in Christmas time, so we are really taking it easy. Can you hear that? That's his little begging mouncing. He has like this mouncing when he begs. Can you hear? I will stop the music for the video for that one. I hope you hear it. What you doing? You begging for your mama? This one has his own little sounds he makes, and it is the begging little mousy sound. I don't know what it is. And he does it only when he begs. Yeah, you beggy boy. You beggy boy. So because he begged so good, we'll give him some more. JJ, you need to sit. Good boy. Now sit. You know the drill. Good boy. There you go. Good boy.